Looking for easy, refreshing, and healthy breakfast ideas that don't feel boring? Today we're sharing 3 super simple recipes that are quick to make, look beautiful, and taste absolutely delicious. Let's get started. We'll start with something super easy and perfect for a make-ahead breakfast. Coconut and chia seeds pudding. For this, in a bowl, add freshly grated coconut in the required quantity, followed by some sugar. Now add chia seeds and mix everything really well. Let this mixture sit aside for a few minutes so the chia seeds can absorb the moisture and thicken up. Meanwhile, chop some fresh fruits. We're using strawberries, black grapes, and red grapes for that perfect mix of sweet and tangy. Once the pudding has thickened, start assembling. Take a serving jar and add a layer of the chia coconut mixture at the bottom. Now top it with a layer of chopped fruits. Repeat with another layer of pudding and more fruits on top. Finish it up with some fresh mint leaves for that refreshing touch. And your coconut and chia seeds pudding is ready. Next up is something tropical and super refreshing, pineapple and coconut milk smoothie bowl. For this, in a blender, add fresh pineapple chunks, a little honey and coconut milk. Now blend everything until you get a smooth creamy mixture. Pour this into a bowl. Now comes the fun part, toppings. Add some fresh kiwi slices, pomegranate seeds, pumpkin seeds, and a sprinkle of chia seeds on top. And that's it. Your vibrant, nutrient-packed smoothie bowl is ready to be served. Now let's make something warm and indulgent with a citrus twist, orange pancakes. Now start by making the orange syrup. In a pan, add water and sugar. Then place orange slices into it. Let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes until the syrup becomes flavorful and slightly thick. Now for the pancake batter, in a bowl, crack an egg. Add a pinch of salt, milk, melted butter, and maida. Whisk everything together until you get a smooth batter. Now add a couple of drops of orange emulsion to enhance that citrus flavor. Heat a pan and add a little butter and pour in the batter. Now let it cook on one side, then flip once it's golden and cook through. Now transfer the pancake to a plate and drizzle that warm orange syrup on top. Soft, fluffy, and bursting with orange flavor, your pancakes are ready. And there you have it, 3 easy, delicious recipes that are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a quick snack. Which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Times Foodie.